Okay, we've taken some out in here so we can set our stick in there. So we're going to glue our dowel in here, and I'll put a staple in it to make sure it doesn't move so it'll dry. And then the mouth opens up okay. So we'll do that next. So we'll set this in here. Then I'm going to take my staple gun, I'll put a staple in it to hold it so it doesn't move on me. So that is set. You might have to make adjustments on the back of your back piece so that it will close properly. I had to take a little more out in here and sand down in here to get it to fit right. So we got the back on. Okay, our final thing we're going to do is we're going to get our ears put on. And I've got the ears here, and I'm going to use a 1-inch screw for these. But you want to get them lined up to where you want them first and mark them. Right in there. So when you want to mark where they're going to go, and then do a cross section there so you know where you want to put it. And then what you want to do is you want to check to make sure that they're about the same spot here, 1.5 inches is where that's going. So then I'm going to take these 2 pieces of wood and put on here. So when we go to put our ears on, they don't slide on us. That'll keep them in place for us while when we screw them and glue them in. This is what we want. So I'm going to take my drill bit here and I'm going to start a little hole. Like I said, we're going to use a 1-inch screw. And then we'll use a little glue. This will keep, the screw will hold it in good, and the glue will keep it from turning on you. same for the other side. Now we got the ears on. Just make sure you got them where you want them straight. Tighten that screw up a little bit more. Do the same with this side. And we'll let that set up and dry. So we have our head done. All we have to do is give it a final sanding, then we can start to seal it. The only other thing we've got is we're going to use a 1-inch ring. This is for your string. That gets tied onto here. And then we have this hook here. And this hook will go in here. So you can attach it to put a rubber band on the bottom of your stick to your body. That helps hold the head on so it's easier. Keeps it on there for you when you don't have your hand tight around the base of the neck. So now we have everything done here. So like I say, we'll give it a good final sanding, and then we'll be able to take it in and get it sealed and then sand that down. And see, with these here, you'll fill these with putty so you won't see those screw marks where you got your screws in there. Those will get hid. Thanks for watching.